Okay, today I'm Mr. Ash. Today I will show you top 6 motorcycles. Okay, it's our green motorcycle. It's cool and everybody can ride it. It's so cool. Okay, it's the red motorcycle. You can ride it as you like, and it's so cool. Okay, this is the motorcycle from Yamaha company. It's nice and they have new wheels and this is our coolest motorcycle. It's perfect nice. You can ride it as you want. It's so fast. Okay, this is the white motorcycle. It has the nitro engine inside this